All right, so boom, you open up Logic for the first time, and this is what you see. You don't know what to do. You don't know how to create the music. You don't know how to do none of that. All you see is this blank screen. What I'm gonna recommend is starting with the absolutes. Let's say you don't really have an idea in your head that you want to create just yet. You kind of just want to like understand how to navigate, understand where everything is. So I recommend coming up here to the absolute section, or you can hit the shortcut, letter O, and it'll pull up all these different samples that Logic already has embedded. So if you click on each one, you'll be able to hear the different sounds. So let's say I like that, I go click and drag it in. And now that's what we have so far, right? That's the clip.